Welcome to Broomfield Tai Chi Chuan. In today's video, let's do a 10-minute Tai Chi lesson. Subscribe to my channel for all the latest Tai Chi videos. Let's do our 10-minute Tai Chi routine. Begin with a light warm-up. Let's jog in place for a moment. Now shake the arms back and forth as you pat the body. And shake it out. Bring one knee up, knee to chest. And the other leg. Now let's do a Tai Chi warm-up. This is called the Yin-yang hands. I'm going to start in my horse stance and bring my hands together to hold the ball. Then I separate both hands and go around the body and bring the hands back together. Separate and expand and bring the hands back. Relax the shoulders. And one more. Excellent. Now let's do our Tai Chi routine. This is from the middle of the 24 posture. It's grass sparrow's tail, single whip, wave hands like clouds, and single whip. So we begin into grass sparrow's tail by holding the ball with your left hand under. First, I'm going to demonstrate the whole routine, then we'll go back and refine each move. Grass sparrow's tail. Grass sparrow's tail on the other side. Transition into single whip. Wave hands like clouds. And one more single whip. Now let's go back and refine each move. So, I begin into grass sparrow's tail by holding the ball with the left hand under, and my weight is on my right leg. I'm going to step out with my left heel as my left arm comes up. Then I shift my weight back, I roll back. My right hand comes back in front of my body, and I press out. I shift my weight back again, and I roll back again. And from my center, I push out. Now I transition to the other side. So I shift my weight and pivot my left toe, and come back with my weight on my left foot, holding the ball with my right hand under. Step out with your right heel, and right hand comes up. Roll back. And press out. Roll back again. and from your center, push out. That was grass sparrow's tail. Now I'm going to transition into my single whip. So I'm going to shift my weight and pivot my right foot as my right hand drops. Hands come back, and I prepare for my single whip. Step out with the left heel. Now I rotate my left hand out as I go into my single whip. Now my left hand drops, my hands change, and I go into wave hands like clouds. Rotate the right hand out, step out. Rotate the left hand out, step in. Rotate out, step out. Rotate out, step in. Now I go into one more single whip. Step out with the left heel and rotate that left hand out. Now follow me from the other side. Grass sparrow's tail. Transition to single whip. Wave hands like clouds. And one more single whip. Let's practice again. Remember, each Tai Chi move starts from the center, is connected to the ground through your stances, and appears at your fingertips. So begin each move from your center and use your center to execute each move. So in grass sparrow's tail, I step out. Pong. Roll back, Lu. Press, G. Roll back again. And press push out, An. Transition to the other side. Pong. Lu. G. An. Now I transition into my single whip. So I use my center as I step out to rotate that left hand out. I go into my cloud hands and I use the center of my body to execute my cloud hands move. And one more single whip. Excellent. The key to Tai Chi practice is consistent long-term practice. So let's practice it one more time and we'll finish our routine. Take a nice deep breath. Hold the ball. And go into grass sparrow's tail. Single whip. Wave hands like clouds. And one more single whip. That was our 10-minute Tai Chi lesson. Watch more of my videos to learn more Tai Chi moves and subscribe to my channel for all the latest videos. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy. Stay strong.